Chuckles89 here. I'm going to show you how to set up my DIY awning with one person. I got the instructions from Expedition Portal. It's the thread is something along the lines of DIY awning under $100. So first thing you do is undo your straps so you can roll it out. And you just roll the tarp out. Next part, you take one of your Coleman poles, and I have this 90-degree conduit adapter here. Stick it in there, extend the pole out. Now this step would be a lot easier if you had the Bimini hinge thing for this part, but I ordered some on Amazon and they were the wrong size, so I just had these laying around and I stuck them on here. I'm going to do a walk around after I get it set up and show you all what I'm talking about. Now once you have the horizontal poles in, you'll just put in the two vertical poles that keep it upright. Once you get those up, you're going to tighten these horizontal ones up and then adjust the vertical ones to however high you want it. And it's set up. And if it's really windy, I usually have a guy line I run from each horizontal pole at the top down to a stake at the ground. But it's really calm tonight, so I'm probably going to leave those off. Thanks for watching.